Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see hidden videos on YouTube playlist. So first of all, go ahead right here and see playlist on your left bar. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and select the, any kind of, let's say, playlist, right? So if you want, let's have an example to this liked, to this liked videos, right? And you're going to be able to see, hold on for a second, yeah, you're gonna be able to see this is the liked videos and all that. So basically what you're gonna do, let me just stop this video. I'm gonna just go ahead, let's say I'm gonna see this playlist, right? So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just wait for a few moments right here. All right, I'm gonna wait to see the whole playlist on my YouTube. Let's say here it says right here, unavailable videos are hidden. Sometimes the notification says that or the highlighted right here at the top, the highlighted words at the top can say that 3 or 4 videos are unavailable. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the 3 bars right here, and it says show unavailable videos, and you're gonna be able right here to see the unavailable videos on your playlist. Alright, so let's fill out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.